Here are two more similar looking words, but they are spelled differently. The one with the FAR is FAR-ther, FAR-ther, and the FUR one is FUR-ther, FUR-ther. Use FAR-ther when talking about actual measurable distance, something you can physically measure. It means more distant in space. FAR-ther. The shop is farther than I thought. He ran farther than anyone else in the race. FUR-ther. The one with FUR is FUR-ther. Use FUR-ther for non-physical distance. Ideas, time, discussion, progress. It means more, additional, or to a greater extent. FUR-ther. We need to discuss this further. For further information, contact the office. Further. Farther, further. So they are pronounced differently. The FAR one is farther and the FUR is further. The one that starts with FAR, farther. The one that starts with FUR, further.